You're videotaping them on their property.
How illegal is that?
How illegal is it? You're on private property. No, the way that public property works is where the power lines are.
No, you're wrong.
Okay.
You want to call your supervisor?
He's coming right here.
You
can
might
talk
want
to
pull
him.
the seat and ask him. Can you explain your bud from here?
Sergeant,
Are you allowed to do this? He's kind of barking wrong to orders.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, he's very hostile.
Yeah, you want to let me in? We talk about it?
Yeah, you in the phone. Oh, and he's also out. He's also asking for DOT numbers, which I'm not going to give him because he has no authority for DOT numbers. Yeah. And logbooks, which he has no authority of that. I've asked him to leave. They're saying no.
As long as they're on, they just try to get us out here to get us to start recording us to get YouTube hits on their stuff.
Oh, is that what
They're
they
First
are?
Amendment auditors, and they try to argue with us and all the time. So it's like dumb. And so as long as they're on public property, they can record
they can do whatever they want.
anything.
Well, yeah.
So if this was like their vehicle, you could ask them to move. They didn't move it. We
It's
call
my
a tow
truck.
truck and stuff
Yeah.
like that. But
So,
if they're out there on the street recording, then yeah, they can do that. Don't matter if they're recording children or not. It's just like paparazzi.
Right.
But you don't have to give them anything. Just keep the gates closed and all that.
Well,
stuff,
yeah,
so.
but they keep saying, "Oh, he's hostile and he's harassing."
Yeah.
So he's basically just making the company look bad.
Yeah, I mean they're gonna make everybody look bad, regardless. If you confront them, you just ignore them. Eventually, they'll go away.
Yeah.
But
It's just YouTube people. YouTube? Yeah.
yeah,
TikTok, YouTube.
yeah, they do that all the time. So
Is that right?
yeah, they try to interfere with us, and eventually they'll interfere enough where they're gonna get arrested for when we're actually doing something. But yeah, they record us like paparazzi, and they'll record, like they go to all the businesses to try to get us to come out. And sometimes if we know it's them, we'll just call the business and be like, just
Well, they wanted to be on the. They wanted to come into the yard.
yeah,
Trying to offer us money to let me on.
yeah, they ask for permission and stuff. If you allow them on your property, then they could come on.
Oh yeah. I
But
said no.
once you tell them to leave, then they have to leave and all that. So, and if they don't, then it's trespassing. So that's what they do. They just drive around and they'll follow you and they'll do whatever they can.
Only in this day and age.
So
Okay.
Like there's plenty of better stuff to be doing this morning.
So who's supposed to be driving out right now?
Well,
Loading up.
I mean,
Okay, let's do that. Let's get you out of here, and they're not going to follow you.
well,
They're
yeah.
not interested in that. They're interested in bugging you more so than anything.
Uh-oh.
yeah.
Jared.
So I mean, for the most part, they're just aggressive paparazzi people, and they're just just ignore them. We try to ignore them the most we can and
Can't you just
stuff.
shoot them?
And so,
This is our
yeah.
this is our
That's
local
Jerry's
shit talker.
resolution. Okay,
Oh yeah. So
we got to get working.
Yeah.
So
all right. But yeah, if they
What's the beef?
yeah.
with them,
Yeah.
they're just YouTubers.
Just
They just-
millennial YouTubers.
They just try to annoy people.
Okay,
That's
just
about
tase
it.
them then. If they're just YouTubers.
Yeah, they want you guys to argue with them so they can argue back and put it on their
Michael, where
and then put it on their YouTube channel. So yeah,
Gotta love it.
the things we deal with these days. All right. All right, you ready? Have a good day, guys. Have a good day. Yeah, Sergeant Leone. Sergeant Leone. 464.